How many times have you been out exploring for the day, you get back to camp and you just do not feel like cooking up a feed? You're tired, it's late, and you'd rather just sit back and relax and maybe sip on a cold one or two. Well, I have the perfect solution for you. I'm going to show you how to make a beef and mushroom pie with just 2 ingredients. Don't believe me? Check this out. Rightio, step 1, grab your pie from the box. Now step 2, for an easy cleanup, you want to grab your pie and put in a small barbecue tray. Now here's the really cool part. I don't even need to build a fire to get this guy cooking. I'm going to do it all with my Wanderer Roadster. It's a 12-volt portable oven. Just plug it into a 12-volt socket and you are off and cooking. All that's left to do now, pop the hood and chuck your pie in. Now the Roadster heats food up to 120 degrees, so I reckon about 30-35 minutes and that pie is going to be ready to chew on. Rightio, time is up. Let's see what we're dealing with. Ooh, oh, bit warm, but I think we are ready for a feed. Grab some dead horse, smother on top, don't burn yourself. Oh, the mustache. Now there's only one situation that I can think of that's cooler than busting out a Roadster on your next camping trip. And that's busting out your Roadster on your next boating trip. You know what I feel like for lunch? Nachos. Yep. All right, let's eat. Well guys, you shouldn't need any more convincing than that. Head into your local BCF and check out the Wanderer Roadster. And start cooking yourself up some epic feeds like this next time you're out and about. Cheers. Woo. I love nachos.